This video will teach how to properly install WPILIB, all of its helpful tools, and other related software. I currently have a VM open since I already have WPILIB installed on my main machine, so that's why the screen resolution looks a little funky. Also, all of the links to install the software will be in the description. Anyways, what you want to do is open up the latest release of WPILIB. The link will be provided in the description of the video or the assignment. And if you're watching this video at a later time, you'll probably see the release version is different from the one I have, but that's okay since the installation process is the same. Go down to downloads, and since I'm obviously on Windows, I'll install the Windows version. Once the download is complete, head over to where the disk image file is, right click and click mount. If you get this prompt, just click open and then double click the WPILIB installer application. If you get a security warning, just click run and be a little patient since this takes a while to open up. Once you're on this screen, just click start. I usually install only for my user because I only have one user on my laptop, and then click download for this computer only. Once it finishes installing, you can close it, and on this desktop, you should see a separate version of VS Code with WPILIB on it. What I normally do after this is I open VS Code up and click download JIT for Windows. Just click to download, click next every time, and then once it's installed, restart VS Code. You should see this menu when you open the source control tab. Next, you want to open this tab with the latest FRC game tools download. If you see login to download, you're gonna have to create an account and log in with it, which is a pretty simple process since it's just basic information and then going into your email to confirm your account creation. Once you're logged in, click download. Open up the application once installed and go through its installation process. Accept license agreements, and it will disable fast startup for you, so don't worry about that. Then keep clicking next until installation. Then this application will open again, so do the same thing. Accept license agreements and keep clicking next until installation. Once it's installed, it will ask you to reboot, which you should do. Now we're gonna install Phoenix Tuner X. Open up Microsoft Store, search up Phoenix Tuner, and you should see Phoenix Tuner X. Then install it. After a while, you should have Phoenix Tuner X installed. Now we're gonna install Rev Hardware Client. Get on this page and click this button to install the Rev Hardware Client setup. Give it permissions and just click install. After it's done, Rev Hardware Client should be installed. Next, we're installing GrappleHook. Head over to GrappleHook's GitHub releases page and download whatever is the exe file. Open it up, and you don't need to change anything. Just click next, install whatever. After installation is finished, you should be good. After everything's installed, you can just delete the setup files in the downloads, and now you have all the applications downloaded to assist you in the upcoming season.